time to go and check in on everything right now. Yeah. Yes, everybody, so what I'm doing now is just adding some all-purpose seasoning mix in. The pumpkin, the turnip, all the ingredients is inside of the pot, smelling wonderful, everybody, yeah? Oi, people, wagwan, you don't know wagwan. It's so amazing, people, yeah? We're here, guess what? We just landed in season 8, people, yeah? What a vibes, man. I hope you guys enjoyed season 7, and I'm kicking off season 8, people. We're fully active, we're fully outside. Spin around the camera and let the people let me see where we are. Yeah, man, we're there by the riverside, and look, I've started up a fire right now. So we're going to kick this one off, people, yeah, with a healthy vibes. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you that is on the program, that has been here from season 1 all the way to season 8. Season 8, don't be late, mate. All right, car, this one's great. Yeah, man, today on the menu, come in. Look at this. Yeah, man, we got the 10 out, people. Good vibes. Yeah, man, have a look at this, people. So on the menu today, better things are going because, yeah, better things are going, people. Because have a look at this. Wow. We got a range of vegetables, root vegetables. We got carrot, sweet potato, cho-cho, pumpkin, Irish potato, turnip, shallots, little onions. We got organic things. Then people got beans, and we got runner beans as well, people. Yeah, thyme. Yeah, man, we're gonna do some spinach. Look at the size of this okra, people. Look at the size of that. Wow. Good vibes. Yeah, man, and we've got the coconut. So a good vibe. So today, what we're gonna have on the menu today, everybody, yeah, we're gonna be cooking some spinach with some yam. Yeah, man, a spinach and yam, some Ito food, people, yeah. Big up yourself. You don't know, so we're there. Yes, everybody, so what's happening right now? So I'm just gonna torch up the fire a little bit. Yeah, man. So the wood burnt out to a level of how I want it to be. Yeah, man, and I'm ready to just kind of like, just set on the pot. Just like so. Yeah, man. Good vibe. So the first thing that I'm going to be cooking today, everybody, yeah, is the hard food. You understand? And then we're going to deal with the spinach after, cause one fire we got and there's one pot we got. So a good vibes, good vibes. Big up yourself, everybody. Yeah, man. Come in and have a look at the fire. Come in and let everybody see what I want. So just pouring out some water into our pot, just to boil up our hard food, everybody, yeah? Our good vibes. That is it, man. All right, everybody, so the ingredients that I'm going to be using, we're going to bring them over to the fireside, people. So a good vibe. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're there, man. Season 8, everybody. Good vibe. So we have some spinach. We got okra. Yeah, man, we need to go and get the onions them now. Yes, everybody. So, yeah, man, I just put down the whole of the ingredients them here. Bam. We're there, so, man. Everything up on the ground, everybody, yeah? Yeah, man, because everything already come from nature already. So there's nothing wrong if we use nature as the ground, everybody, yeah? A good vibes. Look at the pot. Look at the smoke. Let's go and check on the pot, everybody. All right, so we're getting tiny little bubbles. So soon we're gonna start peeling up our yam and putting our yam into the pot, everybody. Good vibes, good vibes. Yes, everybody, look at this, man. Preparation time. All right, so first of all now, yeah, the pot is almost bubbling up, and what I'm gonna be peeling first is the white yam, and then we're gonna use some Irish potato as well, and that is it. And then after that, we're gonna start to prepare the spinach. Yeah, man, because if you ever seen the cartoon program called Popeye, yeah, man, Popeye and Pluto always at it with Olive. Yeah, all right. So you know when you eat the spinach, it's significant that the cartoon program was based on the fact of spinach was something that empowered you and gave you muscles. So we know that it's a green vegetable and it's got a lot of iron and a lot of other nutrients inside of it. So spinach is one of them ones here that help with your bloodstream, heart, loads of other things. You can do your own research on it through the Google as well, everybody, yeah. Or you can check some books on healthy green vegetables and what spinach is beneficial for, everybody, yeah. Are good vibes. You're dealing with the fire outside. You have to gauge it yourself, and wind stirs up the fire. Look at that. We've got a flame now. So as we've got a flame, it's gonna add one more piece of stick. So that's all we're gonna do, everybody, yeah. As we go along, we're just gonna be adding the wood as we go along to balance out the fire, everybody, and the how hot and how high you want it to be. Because we're dealing with some hard food, it's not really too much of a bother, but are good vibes. Yeah, man. Blazing now, so we're just waiting 20 seconds. Come in. What I'm gonna do is just tip a tiny little bit of oil into the pan, a good vibes. And what that is, it just gives a glossiness, and it just make things don't really too stick up to the pot. So what I'm doing right now, everybody, yeah, I'm just peeling the yam. Look at that beautiful white yam. Look at that, amazing, everybody, yeah, amazing. Look at that, wow, really good. So just peel up the yam, everybody. Come in and have a look at the pot. We're gonna start. This one's a simple I2 vibes, everybody, yeah. Simple. You can cook. If you're vegan, you're gonna love it. If you're vegetarian, you're gonna love it. If you don't eat meat, and you don't eat fish, this one is especially for you, everybody, yeah? All right, good vibes. So just cutting the yam them in half. So I just cut it in a circular motion, and then simply, all I'm doing is just cut them in half, everybody. And then all I'm gonna do next is just drop them into the pot, just like so. So I've got 2 pieces, 4 pieces, 6 pieces, 8 pieces. You know, say we can't leave out the sugarcane, people, because we have the sugarcane in the car. More time you're outside in nature and you feel for a little bit of sweetness, yeah, man, a piece of sugarcane now will bring back up your sugar levels. Are good vibes. Wow, look at that, the pot's bubbling up now, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, everyone, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add a bit of Irish potato into the pot as well. Yeah, man, so yam, Irish potato are good vibes, everybody. Yeah, man, are good vibes. So quickly, I just peel my Irish potato. Come in, bring the camera in a little bit so that everybody can see where I go on. You know, say where I am, everybody, down by the riverside. Yeah, man, are good vibes. I'm just getting the last or the best of British summer. Yeah, man. Whoa, come and catch these droppings. Come and catch them going into the pot. Yeah, good vibes, everybody. Big up yourself, man. Everyone that's just landed into season 8, everybody. This is where we are. Season 8, everybody. Are good vibes, you know. Yeah, man. Season 8 is gonna be based on a lot of healthy eating. I'm gonna be encouraging everybody to be eating healthy And as you know, I'm gonna mention it again. I hope everybody's eating 3 times a day. And eating 3 times a day, I'm asking you guys to make sure that you got the right nutrients and the right supplements going into your body, just so that you guys can carry out your day-to-day task without feeling tired, without feeling drained out. You understand? Good food, enough sleep, good vibes. Good vibes, everybody. Look at that. Wow. I'm just gonna wait for everything right now to go and boil up. All right. I just want to ask you guys a question. I know this is not a live, but what else should I put into the pot? Come and have a look. Come and have a look. Come and have a look. Bring the camera in. Bring the camera in. So I've got sweet potato here. I've got. I'm gonna add a next potato into the pot. You know. Yeah, I'm gonna add a next potato into the pot, and everything else is for next time, everybody. Yeah, man. Everything else is for next time. A good vibes. So just add one more potato to the pot. Good vibes. You can cut it now, Bubs.
It wasn't even taping, bro. It wasn't even taping.
Yes, everybody. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just peeling some more Irish potatoes to put into the pot. Come in and have a look. Come in and have a look, yeah? You know, good vibes. Yeah, man. Good vibes. Over there. Yeah. What's the red thing? Now don't have your hands like that, because it creates a shade. Yes, everybody, so yeah, man, a good vibes, everybody. What I'm doing now, I just felt like I just want to add some corn into the pot as well. So go and put some corn in that pot. A good vibes. Come on. Alright. So my work surface, underneath my cutting board, I've got a piece of slate, concrete slate, and that is my my hard surface to chop on, everybody. Yeah, man, a good vibes. So that's the last of what's going into the pot, everybody. Yeah, man, big up yourself. You done know. Yes, everybody, look at that. Wow. Yeah, man, things are going in at the pot, people. Yeah, man. Where you say corn, yam, Irish potato, good vibes. What I'm going to do, everyone, I'm just going to catch the lid of the pot, because the water is just bubbling over onto the fire. So we just catch the lid so that some air can be released. Look at that, man. Look at the smoke, the vape of the condensation of the heat coming out of the pot. Good vibes. The corn is almost cooked. It don't even take long. This fire is piping hot. Yeah, man, it'll get up. Things are going on underneath the people. Good vibes. Yeah, man. Just have to hold a one look a moment while the pot just go and bubble up, people. Big up yourself, you don't know. So we're there, season 8. Yes, he's here. I know you're not late. Good vibes. Good vibes, man. The tent, the Airbnb is amazing. It's a good chill out. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, people. This is the perfect moment. Waiting for the pot to complete and then going to stage 2, which we're going to start cutting up the spinach, the onions, the garlic, the ginger, start creating some flavors out here. You understand, people? Our good vibes, man. Big up yourself. Right, time to go and check in on everything right now. Yeah. See what I go on. Yes, man. So it's gonna make the pot go on just cook for a couple more minutes, and everything soon complete. Everybody, yeah. Good vibes. Pick up yourself. Yes, everyone, so we've come to a completion, and what I've done now, I've sorted out a bowl and a next in metal container to transfer all of the cooked ingredients into, so that we can start the next process with the spinach people, yeah? Good vibes. Look where we are. For that transformation, so we're going to continue the process of cooking, everybody. Good vibes. One, so look at this. Transformation is completed. We cover everything up. We've got our pot here. We've got our fire here. Our good vibes. Let's just set up back the fire for round 2 now, everybody. Big up yourself. Alright, look at that. So the fire ready. Let's get going, everybody. Good vibes. Big up yourself. Yes, everybody, so yeah, man, round 2, setting back the pot on the fire, everybody, yeah. No rinse out, no nothing. It's got a little residue of the yam and the corn in there, said way. He's gonna pour some oil in. Good vibes, everybody. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're there. Yeah, man. Come in now, come in. All right, so onion and garlic. I'm just adding to the pot right now, everybody. Yeah, man. Some thyme. Okay, so we just take our pan off for a look a bit. Come in, you can see where I go on. Come in so that you can come in and look a bit closer, you can see where I go on. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So because it's well hot and it's oil we're dealing with, everybody, we just take it off for a look a while. We just look at what we're putting in right now. Yeah, man, we're just putting in the ginger, and I'm also gonna cut up some turnip and put some turnip in the pot as well, everybody. A good vibes. Added some scotch bonnet, some chili. Good vibes. Put the pan back on the fire, and in the next stage now, everybody, yeah, man, look at that. Good vibes. Come in so you can see what I go on. A good vibes are going right now, you know. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, man. I'm just chopping up some okra. Yeah, man, putting in some okra into the pot. So we've got thyme, we've got garlic, we've got ginger, we've got chili, we've got scotch bonnet pepper, we've got turnip, and we've also got the spinach, everybody. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Put our pan back fire. That is it. Pour down the flame a little bit, everybody. Cover back the pot. Good vibe. Yes, everybody, so what I'm doing now is just adding some all-purpose seasoning mix in. That is it. And I'm just gonna cut up some pumpkin nice and fine. That is it, everybody. Good vibes. So the reason why I'm putting the pumpkin and the turnip after the spinach is because I want a bit of crunch to the vegetables, them, everybody, yeah? Are good vibes. Big up yourself. Yes, everybody, so we're almost at a completion now. Are good vibes. So the spinach is steaming down, the pumpkin, the turnip, all the ingredients is inside of the pot, smelling wonderful, everybody, yeah? All right, so we're gonna be serving up in a short while. Big up yourself. Yes, everybody, so we're here. We're at the grand finale. We come to almost a completion right now. So the pot's just steaming down. As you can see, that I pulled out the stick them out of the fire just so that we can have it bubbling, as you can see, at a nice sturdy temperature, everybody, so that things are not burning up. Are good vibes. Yeah, man, these vegetables, yeah, you can eat every single one of them raw. So we're more or less completed right now, everybody, and what we're gonna do right now is just serve up. As you can see, look over here. Yeah, man, we just cover up the thing them underneath here, yeah, sir, just simple, sir. And then we just use the same pot to do the next meal. Are good vibes. And we've got some more ingredients here for our next meal, everybody. Big up yourself. Wow, look at that, everyone. Okay, let's take our pot off the fire right now. We've come to a grand finale. Look at that, amazing. Yeah, man, it's a steamed vegetable, organic, healthy, vegan, vegetarian, one of the most healthiest things you can be eating throughout your day, everybody, yeah? Big up yourself for staying tuned with this episode. We're cooking where? By the river, everybody. Nice, good vibes. Big up yourself. Wow, look at that, everybody. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Good vibes, everybody. Look at that. Look at that. Good vibes, that's enough. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. We're there. Alright, you thought I was gone in it, everyone. Look at this. Yeah, man. Wow. Mad plate. The spinach. May I tell you, you have to taste this one to believe it. This one I'm not joking. Trying to show inside the plate. Whoa. Yum, dry. Nice. The garlic, the ginger, the thyme, the pumpkin, the turnip, the okra. Everything's just a right mixture. I put the chili pepper in there and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, man, good vibes, everybody. And today we're eating from one of the coconuts that I bust previously. You understand? We just just for them. I put all of them. Good vibe. Big up yourself, everyone. I'll see you again next time. Food nice. Food well nice. Pumpkin.